All right, guys, starting off with some renderings. Our Wi-Fi bar, per the specs, the top of this being at 41 inches. It'd be 1 3/4 inches thick. And now that we're questioning the length, the top of this being at 34 and 60 inches wide. We'll have a little issue with the space behind this in the window. And then the steel support underneath that don't go to the floor. It sounds like they're wall mount. But this is solid walnut, oil finish, 16 deep. The merchant area, you have your metal shelves in here. These are white. 2-inch thick, oil finish, walnut top and end. The cabinet is this depth plus the thickness of the door. Locks, you have a total of 3 locks. The toe kick is 10 deep. There's our elevation off the floor, the width of this, and I'll send you all the elevation views so you have all the measurements with these. 12 inches off the wall. The bar. Quick 3D view of this. Right here is your refrigerated case. The length of our scalloped paneling has grown, and the 8-inch granite on the face. This is 4 inches off the floor for whatever toe kick you're doing in there. But these would be in 4 sections shown here. There should not be, there's going to be a seam, but we'll get it as tight as possible so it's not noticeable in the field. So it looks like one continuous piece. And then pay attention to all our measurements as far as the widths to make sure appliances fit in here for the trash can, the cups. I think this is where the cash registers go, open cabinets. And if it's an open cabinet, it will have that same color on the inside, laminate. This cabinet, for example, the inside would be white, but all these open cabs have that laminate color that was chosen, even the backs. But just take a close look at all of our dimensions. It's the length of the pony wall. I've got it in here at 294 because of the 1/2 inch material that's going to be put on each end. The height, we'll put a 3/4 inch deck. I know we want to net out at 34 inches, 2 cm. Back wall. We're going to make this out of a starboard or acrylic material, so all the moisture from the racks won't destroy the laminate. A hole in here for trash. So this cabinet, there'd be hinges here, and then these 2 doors open together to put trash in there. And I'll put a hole in the top. Your dishwasher, this location of that column. The floating shelf, same width against the right, and it ends on the left side of these cabs. Our sink cabinet here. Large refrigerator, open cab. I think there's a trash can in here, so a hole in the top of this. Then the paneling, that same color paneling on the back. So the way I would do this is these would have a little toe kick that went to the floor. These are going to be 2 inches thick on the face, but there'll be a 4-inch toe kick terminate at the floor for structural, and then these back panels are up 4 inches for the baseboard. So these toe kicks are going in raw wood, and they'll be treated with rubber base or tile, whatever you're doing in there. The sink cabinet, this is the floor drain between these lines, plumbing, so that works out. Yeah, and just pay attention to all these notes here. Final countertop height is right here because of our countertop thickness and the fridge height being this. 1 inch is lost because of the steel, and then another 1.1 inches. So inside height from the concrete floor is 35. Okay, let me know. Thank you.